Okay. What is wrong with you?
Hiccup, I'm calling you out. Defend yourself.
Defend my...
Fight me.
What? What are you doing?
I said fight me.
What's that, Hiccup? You want to fight to the death?
What? Who said that? Nobody said that.
You did.
Oh, ow! I am not going to fight you, Snot Loud.
You see that? The future chief is a coward. You heard me. Come on, hit me.
You know you want to.
Fine. But remember, you wanted this.
Ah! What'd you do that for? Hold on, I gotta take it. Mom, Dad, Hiccup punched me. I'm really thirsty.